Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be planning out the week of August 29th through September 4th in my ERIN CONDREN hourly life planner. So today I'm going to be using kit 442 from Planner Kate, and I am loving this kit. It's got a lot of plants, it's got a lot of like coffee cups and teacups in it, and it's just kind of fitting for the time of year out of summer heading into fall, at least per the calendar, right? In our area, fall is very, very far away. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I did get quite a few of the sheets, like the full boxes, washi strips, even the super thick washi, the little doodles, all that fun stuff to have my week set up beautifully in my planner. I'm gonna grab my tweezers. So I've been a little lacking in the content over here, and I do apologize for that. It's been a week that kind of just didn't go as expected, and I had to work a lot more. And you guys probably know this, I work from home on Fridays normally, but when there are urgent issues at work, sometimes I have to go into the office. And typically what I'll do is I will film in the morning, like before my workday starts on a Friday, because I don't have to commute, right? So I get like almost an hour of my life back, right? A good like 45 minutes. And the same thing for the commute home. So, and even sometimes I'll film during lunch because I can squeeze that in, but I did not get that chance, and it kind of just put me behind, and I started to feel kind of crappy about it. And then I just had to kind of like pull myself out of it, right? Because I can't always do it all as much as I want to. But it still did kind of eat away at me. I'd be lying if I said I was totally perfectly fine. But here we are. I'm hoping to get back on track. And I'm still kind of, and I've mentioned this before, where I've said I was kind of on the fence about reducing the number of videos down to 2 a week, simply because sometimes it is really hard to keep up, but then there's weeks that I can do 3. So I haven't quite decided what I want to do just yet, but it is something that I am considering. All right, so I know I've got the thick washi for the bottom, but now I really want to think about what I'm going to do across the top. This is a lot of peach. It is very beautiful because I think it always goes well with like navy and mint type of colors, but I'm thinking that it's got to be something that matches with this. Maybe I won't even use this because I kind of like this for the top and the bottom. I kind of want the smaller one. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm digging the smaller sizes better. Let's try that and see how it goes, because sometimes I do feel like the thick washi swallows the page, and I can use the thick washi in my daily planner if I want to. I did purchase this kit for my daily as well. I'm just kind of on the fence as if I want to have the weeks match this week. I mean, I kind of want them to match, but I don't know about you guys, but if you use kits in a daily planner, it starts to leave like a bump on the page after a while. And I started noticing it this week, and I was like, oh, I really need to have a week where there's like no kit in my daily, because it's causing some issues. All right, I think that this is gonna look good. It's one of my favorites of the 2 patterns that I was gonna pick from, so I think we'll go with this one and it'll be just fine. So yeah, work was a little, just not the norm this week. And there was even some tasks at work that I needed to get done that just did not happen. And by Friday, I was like, I need to leave early. This is enough. And I actually ended my work day like an hour or 2 earlier than normal, but I decided at that point that I was like, okay, I'm not going to just turn around and start filming. Like, I actually need a break, and it felt good to just decompress and do nothing for a little bit. So it was quite a lovely afternoon. All right, I'm going to use this thinner washi to kind of frame the weekend sticker. I kind of want to leave room for the weather. I did the weather last week, I think. Now I need to look back. And last week kind of turned out okay. I feel like I didn't touch my planner a whole lot, but yes, I did do the weather across the top, and I do like how that looked. I should have not left that washi like that. All right, there we go. Weekend sticker is down. Now let's figure out what we want to do with the sidebar, because I do always get this sheet right here, the add-on, the one with the checklist and then the additional boxes, and I definitely think I want to use the checklist. Let's see if I can't turn this just a little bit. And I also wanted to use the this week sticker, so let's go ahead and use that, and the star. Just kind of winging it here, pretty much like I do every week. I like this. I like this already. Okay, so I think 2 of the checklists is just fine, and then I'm just going to use a full box here to kind of put something decorative down, and that will work. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's talk about videos for this week, because I actually do have a plan this week. And the goal is to actually stick to that plan. So the first video, actually I want to use the gray ones here, because I feel like the gray, probably going to use the stitched ones, because I really like these a lot. So obviously it's going to be the weekly plan with me. And then Wednesday will be the September plan with me. Hard to believe it's already September, but here we are. Pumpkin spice season is among us. And then Friday will be a reveal. So I spent some time last night, Saturday night, actually sitting down, setting up my Notion for the month of September, and I felt like I had a much better footing going into the month of September, because August just really kicked my ass, to be quite frank. I just wasn't as prepared, but you know, sometimes that's how life goes, right? You can have all the plans in the world and then life has other plans. So that's kind of how that went. So before I put anything else down, I know that I want to use my Planner Kate meal planning stickers, and I'm going to put those right at the 5 o'clock spot. I love these things so much. I just cut off the Planner Kate thing because I was putting them in the back of my daily, which is A5, and the sheet wasn't fitting with the little side sticker and then her branding across the top. So I just cut it off so that it would fit in the back of my A5 planner, and it is perfect. Meal plan stickers are down. Next, I want to use a few of these stitched stickers for workouts each night. This past week actually went really well. That is one thing I was able to stick to. The rest of the week was a little, little back and forth. Actually, I'm going to alternate because I do want to do something every day. It just may not be exactly a workout. It may be something else. So I've talked about this before. I love the meditation app on the Peloton. That is perfect if you're having trouble sleeping, or if you want to go into a hectic day feeling a little bit more calm. I don't know. I've really enjoyed it. All right, and then I'm going to put the Saturday and Sunday one in the morning. Saturdays is typically my walking day. Yesterday I went on a 2-mile walk and it was amazing. It's still pretty hot here early in the morning. I think I went at around 9. It was a gorgeous morning and perfect for a morning walk. Okay, I'm going to use the workout stickers that I have from Planner Kate as well. And I think I might use the little phone sticker for the days that I'm just going to do the meditation, if that makes sense. Which some days I work out and meditate, so that actually wouldn't work. Actually, let's switch the shoe on Saturday for walking. I think we'll just use the shoes. We're not gonna use the phone. I had a thought. It didn't quite work out. All right, and then I'm going to use my workout stickers from Planner Kate. Clearly, I need to order another sheet of these, but these are awesome. I love this font the most, other than my own. The F3 font from her shop is my favorite. Also, again, why write something out when you can use a sticker? Because if you mess up with your handwriting, you can't exactly undo it unless you're using one of those erasable pens. All right, that is all done. And then on Tuesday night, I will need some editing time there. Also on Thursday, because I typically will edit the night before if I need to. And I'm just going to use these little computer icons also from Planner Kate. This is sheet BW2. I love these so much. And before I forget, the pen that I'm using is the Sarasa Drift Grip in 0.4. It really writes like a 0.5. I love this one so much. And then I'm going to use one of these on Friday afternoon for filming. And I think I have, yep, I have a little camera icon also from Planner Kate. A lot of my stickers from hers I took off the sheets because it was easier to have that small book instead of going through like 50 sheets. So that's why they're in this little sticker book from Fern Creek. And then for Sunday, I'm actually going to need one more edit sticker because that's going to be for Monday's video. All right, so for other tasks throughout the week, I do have laundry that I love to get done on Wednesdays. Just gonna grab an icon here. There we go. And then Friday, of course, is trash day. We're just gonna put that right about here because I want to leave room for the full boxes. Oh my gosh, this kit is so freaking pretty. And then of course Thursday is payday, and I like the icon on this sheet a little bit better, like the bag of money. It just makes more sense. All right, and then on Sunday we're gonna do groceries, and I think we'll just go ahead and use the shopping cart. And then on Saturday evening, I wanna make sure that I make time to meal plan for the week. And I think I'm gonna use one of these event labels, and we'll just put that right about here. I had such a good meal plan last week that I don't wanna lose momentum. Oh, and of course, I definitely want to use a TV for Sunday for House of the Dragon. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan, so this prequel is, oh my god, it's amazing. It's amazing. I don't know if you guys are fans of the show, the series, the story, all of it, but this is exactly what I needed in my life right now. So and I feel like I'm going to need some House of the Dragon stickers because I just do. All right, now let's get in these full boxes. As you can see, I intentionally left a lot of space for the full boxes because they are just absolutely stunning. All right, I think I want to put this one because it's so similar to that sticker up on the upper left-hand corner over here on this part of the week. Don't want them too close together. And then we'll go with, let's put a blue right over here on Tuesday. And I'm trying to think, do I want to have them kind of staggered? I really like doing it that way. Let's see, Mondays can be a little bit lower, and then we'll do a peach one for Wednesday. I think that this will work. Yep, that'll be a good fit. Okay, I really like that. All right, let's do something a little bit more solid here. And I don't have a lot of wiggle room to kind of move them staggered, but we will make it work. That's not too bad. I definitely want to use this one, and I could bring that up a little bit higher. There is a method to my madness. And then we'll have this one just a smidge lower, kind of. Okay, let's go a little bit lower. I don't want to have to move the grocery sticker as well. There we go. It just makes it all come together, right? Like there was this huge gaping hole. And now it's all filled because those are the hours that I'm at work anyway. So, all right guys, that is it for this week's plan with me. I hope you enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.